Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your Realme GT Neo 3. So in order to do this, we'll want to open our Google Play Store and from here begin the search for an app. Enter Firefox browser or simply Firefox, hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. When installation is finished, we can open our app and from here begin customizing it. You can change the theme, pick your tool replacement. Also there's always on privacy settings, which you can change from standard to strict, synchronization, and the privacy notice at the end. Let's click the start browsing when it's ready, and from here we can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.